wanna. Hold on, wait, because for some reason your phone keeps going to the connect. So let me. All right, now. Okay, you ready? I want to say, Mama, happy anniversary. I know you're happy, and I thank you for watching over me and my family. And I love you, and I miss you dearly.
Love you, Grandma. Miss you, wish you was here. It's been crazy with you not being here. The family miss you. We wish we could come over and get some more of that red thing with rice and fried chicken.
Yes, yes.
We just wish that you would just keep us blessed, keep watching over us as we still live life.
And keep us together. Say something. Say something to your brain. Oh, oh,
Oh, that was a mistake.
It's all good. It's all good. Just let it go.
All right. Well, that was a simple mistake. Oh, okay. Are we ready?
On three, we're going to release on three.
Oh, wait, he got to say something. Oh, man, say something.
Okay.
Oh, man, I will meet you. And I all right.
On three. One, two, three.
We love you.
Let it go, Mama.
Love you, Granny.
God bless. Oh.
And you heard him say Jude.
And Jude.
Oh, and Jude.
And Jude.
And cousin.
And Bingo.
That's right. And Jude.
Yep.
Hi, Mama.
Got it all caught on camera.
All out.
Daddy. Love y'all.
All right.
That's it.
All right. We done it.
We did it.
Yep. Yeah, that's it.
It's hot as
Hot as heck. Yep. All right.
Look at that. That's Mama. Christine.
All right. That's enough.
Yeah.
I hope y'all enjoyed the balloon release. Okay. Thank y'all for watching.